Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have my Factory Connection haul. There is a pair of shoes in here that is not from Factory Connection, but I got them today in the mail. I thought I would go ahead and throw them into this haul because they are work shoes and I will be wearing them. Oh my God, you gotta love us people from North Carolina. Wearing them to work. So let me grab the bag. There's a couple things that's not in the bags. Let me grab. I want to show you the things not in the bag first. I'm going to pull out the drawer like I always do. Probably shaking you guys. I have a few accessories. There should be one down in the bag. Did I take it out? I might have took it out. No! I have everything together. Because they're going to be so cute for Valentine's Day. I'm going to have to look over there. Okay, because I might have took them out. Got these bracelets. I actually got these as a Christmas present from my manager at Factory Connection. Hey, Miss Ellie. And I've not included them in a haul yet. They've been sitting over there. But look how stinking pretty these are. And I know my lights are just going to wash them out because they're light colored. But look how pretty. I love bracelets. You guys know I love bracelets. These retailed for $7.99. I think we may still have a few of these. I can't remember. But super, super cute. She got me those. I've not worn them yet. I need to wear them. And then I got this necklace. It was marked down to $350. Really long chain. It's pink with some beads in it. Kind of matches those bracelets, but not quite. I mean, you could get away with it. But super cute. I do believe that's a resin. It's resin. It's not a real rose quartz. I'm not going to throw this over there. I'm going to lay it right here. Let me look. Okay, I don't see them over there. So maybe they are in the bag. We'll dig down in the bag. It's a pair of earrings. So I got this shirt. This shirt was on clearance. We had a clearance sale. Buy two, get one free. And this was one of the things that I got. Buy two, get one free. I love this shirt. I love anything that's lace. The sleeves, I have worn it, are lace. And it's got that open shoulder on it. Super, super, super cute. Super comfortable. It's just like a screen printed with all these beautiful muted colors. Goes gorgeous with that bracelet that I just laid over there. So I got that. What else did I get that day? I got this because I was cold actually. And I've worn it because I had it on that day. Oh, it's down in the bag. The other thing I got is down in the bag. This is a medium large actually. And it's a hood. Sweater, but it's a vest. It's not like a long sleeve. And I was cold, but you guys know I'm hot-natured, so I don't... Full sweaters are not my best friends. So this was kind of a good go-between. So it's long and it has a hood, but it doesn't have sleeves because it is a duster length. And it's got pockets. And yes, it's a medium large and I can wear it. So there is that one. Grab my bag now. Another jacket. I love swing jackets, you guys know. And again, I want to have something lightweight, but I want to have something with sleeves. If I get hot, I can take it off and just have a t-shirt or something on. So this is the jacket. It's pink, it's gray, and then a black and white stripe at the bottom. And it is just, what I say, it's a swing jacket. So I think this was $17.99. This was $10. The other shirt was $10. So $20. I got one free, which I'm going to show you next. So here's the swing jacket. This was $8, so I got it for free with the buy one, get one free. Yes. And it is a kimono. Again, it's long. And I'll be wearing this when the weather warms up. I have several of them. Short sleeved, super light, super airy. I like wearing those just over a t-shirt to dress them up or over a tank top because we can't have bare arms in the store. So, yep. I got this because I have a gray one that's very similar, and I got my gray one at Ross Dress for Less. And I've always said, I hope I find another one like that. And this is $15.99. It's a dress, short sleeved. It's a berry shade. On camera, it's looking really red, but it's a bit like a hot pink berry. And it's long. It's got the little pockets. And I love wearing these with capri leggings and little slip-on shoes or flip-flops. So that's exactly how I'm going to wear it when it gets warm. I'm going to wear this. And then underneath it, I'll have little capri leggings or full leggings and little slip-on shoes or flip-flops. But yeah, super cute. So got that one. You're going to see a theme in this bag. And it's pink. Almost everything is pink. So I did get one pair of jeans. These are $19.99, size 16. State of Independence. I don't have anything from State of Independence. Check out that back pocket. And it's just a traditional pair of jeans, faded. These are a crop, so they are short. So, yep, size 16. And yep, there they are. I found them. They fell down in here. So for Valentine's Day, this was the last pair we had. And they reminded me a lot of my Pandora jewelry, or jewelry you see on Pandora. I know my camera's going to wash that out because of the scroll work and the hammered look. They are kind of heavy though. So I don't know how my ears are going to handle that. These were $4.99, and they also kind of reminded me, look how they turn, of Brighton, if you've ever shopped Brighton jewelry. Well, that's not bad. That's not bad. Oh, those are going to be so cute for Valentine's Day. Yes, they are. I thought they were going to feel more heavy, because they're pretty heavy feeling on the card, but they're not terrible on my ear. You can see it's not like pulling down terribly. So there are the heart earrings, $4.99. Go ahead and throw that card away. Find the trash can over there. I think I just have one more thing under here, and guess what, guys? It's pink. It's pink. This is, I think, $17.99. And again, it is so wrinkled from being in this bag. I apologize. It has a kind of a ruched back, or gathered back, with a real pretty like skirt tail. It is a 3/4 sleeve, and then that gathering comes around to the hip area and it stops. So the front is a little shorter. So that tail comes and covers up your rear if you want to wear probably some leggings or something. But I just thought this was super, super cute. And it looks like it's going to hang really pretty. So yeah, that is my clothing haul from Factory Connection this month. I have one more thing to show you guys. It came today, and I got it from QVC, and I was scrolling on Facebook, and I'm following QVC, and they had popped up Skechers under $40 and on Easy Pay. So I was like, click, I gotta see what that is, because almost all I wear is Skechers. And I love, as you guys know, there's a hair somewhere. It's like driving me insane. Hold on. Okay. All right. They had, I think, about 8 different colors you could choose from. So I got the gray because I have an ivory pair, and I have a little black pair that's made a little different. But these are gray, but you can see they're heathered. They're kind of heathered. These were $36 and some change. And really lightweight. They were on Easy Pay. There wasn't free shipping. I wish there had been, but no free shipping. So I did the easy pay, and I think it was 6 payments of like $8 or something. Or no, I can't remember, because you have to pay shipping and you had to pay tax. So it brought the price up a little over $40. But I mean, even $50 for a pair of Skechers, come on, I can deal with that. So got me a new pair of work shoes, and this will go pretty with all of that pink that I just got. I wasn't planning that at all, but there's my new pair of shoes and my new work clothes. And I've had this sitting over there for weeks, and I wasn't planning that either. It's pink. Everything is pink. Everything is pink. All right, guys, that's my clothing haul. If you have a factory connection near you, be sure you go check it out. Right now we're having big clearance items going out the door. We have new spring stuff coming in, hence all the pink. And as always, thanks for watching. Be sure you give this a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys on the next one.